It wasn't long ago that they actually did this, only 2 years ago or so. How significant is this?
It's significant, but not a surprise that the resolution was approved, right? You see that reflected in the after-hours trading. I think we were up modestly around 0.4% because this stock split, which is a 3-for-1 stock split, takes the shares to around $300 a share, was first tweeted by Tesla in March. And then when this meeting was confirmed and scheduled with the agenda a month ago, we knew it was coming, and lots of people thought it was unlikely that the resolution would not go through. I think the thing that's missing for investors out there watching this is we do not know more details about the date that this stock split becomes effective of. But you're exactly right, Sherry, that we've seen this before. There was a 5-for-1 stock split in August 2020, really boosted the stock. The logic, bring the price down, make it more accessible, and Tesla has a massive retail investor base.
He's talking about potentially adding a new factory, talking about hitting, these new highs when it comes to production and output of cars. How rosy is the outlook? There is still a lot of the old risk, supply chain, not to mention his ongoing dispute with Twitter.
This is pretty vintage Elon Musk that you're seeing on your screen right there. He's giving a pretty bullish outlook. He talks about how painful the road to profitability was and showed a chart where you have that spiky column in 2021 where Tesla really got profit under control, and he said he expects it to be better from this point. Yes, he did say they expect to announce a factory location this year. He did not say where. He kind of teased the audience. Many people in the audience shouted out, Canada! And he said, I'm half Canadian, so maybe, but he was joking. But this is what he does, right? He keeps investors looking to the horizon. And most of what he said so far, he has said before. There's nothing really new there.
And Heidi just mentioned the ongoing saga with Twitter. We know that Musk is counterclaiming made for litigation tale. Just tell us a little bit about this countersuit.
Yeah, so, I mean, if you're a Bloomberg terminal user, just bring up the Twitter ticker on your Bloomberg and do a news search, and it's just endless headlines, because what we're seeing is just tit-for-tat subpoenas and countersuits. Musk is arguing that Twitter acted fraudulently and that they hoodwinked him in the Twitter agreement. Twitter have pushed back in a court filing and said that it's not plausible, it's ridiculous to argue that they hoodwinked Elon Musk. Elon Musk argues that the monthly daily active users number is 65 million below what Twitter says it is. He also argues that the number of users on the platform that can actually see ads is far less than Twitter has told investors. Twitter have pushed back, denying that, saying that they've been transparent. They referred the judge to their regular SEC filing. So that we've seen this play out for 2 or 3 days now, this kind of tit-for-tat, a number of subpoenas in the run-up to a trial, which, to remind our global audience, starts on October 17th. It seems a world away. I wish it was sooner.